Hi, my name is Richards and I'm the founder of Suppleful. As you may already know, Suppleful is a platform that offers 100 plus white label products that you can personalize and sell in your online store under your brand without worrying about inventory or shipping. I created Suppleful because I saw too many entrepreneurs struggling to launch their own consumer packaged goods brands. They were overwhelmed by all the information out there and didn't know where to start. Besides, building a protein, coffee, or supplement brand the traditional way can cost you thousands of dollars before you even know if it will work. Since launching Suppleful, over 5,000 entrepreneurs have used our system to successfully launch their own CPG brands risk-free. And I'm proud to say that Suppleful has become the #1 authority in launching consumer packaged goods brands. Now, on top of Suppleful, I have created a simple 3-step system that anyone could follow to launch their own CPG brand in just a few days. The CPG Launch Kit includes easy-to-follow instructions, studio-grade product photos, store templates, worksheets, and how-to videos. Everything you need to get started and launch an eye-catching brand that's ready to accept orders from customers. Unfortunately, most people never even get started because they're so overwhelmed by all the steps they need to take. In fact, did you know that 90% of people who start their own venture never even launch it? That's crazy. But with CPG Launch Kit, you'll have everything you need to avoid all the pitfalls and launch your brand successfully without all the overwhelm. So if you're ready to finally launch your brand and start earning revenue doing what you love, click the link below, learn more about the CPG Launch Kit.